Modern airplanes are built in enormous factories using advanced aerospace technology. The process begins with lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber. Massive components are transported to the assembly area. Precision machines cut metal panels used for the aircraft body. These panels form the outer skin of the airplane.
Robots drill thousands of holes for rivets and fasteners.
The fuselage sections are assembled to form the aircraft body. These sections are connected to create the main aircraft structure. Internal frames strengthen the aircraft body. The wings are carefully constructed using strong materials. Powerful machines attach the wings to the aircraft body. Jet engines are mounted beneath the wings.
Okay, connecting the control lines. Good, power systems next. Power lines are routed. Check the breakers. All secure, we're good.
The cockpit is equipped with advanced flight controls. Pilots operate the aircraft from this control center.
Seat covers are off. Checking the harness. Copy. Displays are powering up now. Good. Locking the seat rails.
Passenger cabins are fitted with seating and equipment. Windows are carefully installed along the aircraft body. Doors and safety exits are installed next.
Lining up the hinges now.
Each mechanism is tested for reliability.
Securing the frame. Clear.
The aircraft receives its final paint design. Special coatings protect the aircraft surface. Engineers perform strict quality inspections.
Forward section clear. No anomalies.
Mid-fuselage rivets tension to spec.
Data synced. All green. Log it. Moving to tail.
The aircraft undergoes ground and flight tests. After testing, the aircraft is prepared for delivery.
All right, team, let's get this finished up. Copy that. Final checks are in progress.
Tool cart secured, moving to the main fuselage. Finally, the aircraft is delivered to airlines around the world.